Hi, how are you? Today we are going to draw a truck for goods and other transportation. Let's draw the top part here. So the front head of the truck looks like this. This is the main body where you can carry the logistics items. Let's draw a straight line horizontally to the end of the truck. And we draw another line here to the bottom. Let's draw the wheels. So these are the circles of the tire. As you can see, another wheel we can draw in the back. These are called the rear wheels. All right, let's connect the main chassis or the body to the wheel. This is the tank for the gasoline. You can draw two lines here. Then we can go to the end points. All right, let's draw another line parallel to the previous one, and the segment comes up to this point. Let's connect the points with these handlebars. For the front part, we can draw the main glass for the driver, and this is the window in the side. All right, there's a side door to the main cabin. And few lines you can see here for the lighting. So it's a nice truck. You already see here under the hose we can draw the road. Now if we put the color, the truck is going to look better. So let's draw the back part of the main body. So this is the back of the truck. As you can see, Let's fill up the straight lines in the middle. All right. Under that one, we can draw a deep color for the main chassis and the bumper. The purple color we can put here for the gasoline chamber. All right. So the front part is going to have this color. All right. Let's put the doors and windows with light purple. As you can see here, let's put the same color for the front side. For the windows, we can put light blue color for the glasses. And we can put orange color for the lights here. These are the few details, but we need to put it on for better drawings. Let's put black color for the tires and the wheels of the truck. Also, we can put black color for the rear wheel. We can use the crayon color under the wheel to show the roads nice and easy. So as you can see, it's a nice truck moving on the road. So I hope you like the videos. You can do the practice at home so that you can draw better. If you like, please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on so that you don't miss any updates. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.